On November 30, 2022, OpenAI company launched a new chatbot, which became a trending headline across the world.
ChatGPT can now
Just ignore ChatGPT's friend.
Let's talk about ChatGPT.
AI is having a very busy year.
It has become one of the fastest growing consumer app, which reached out millions of users in just a few days. You must have guessed it from the thumbnail of this video. Yes, I'm talking about ChatGPT. With the existence of ChatGPT, a new race of present era has already begun. The race of who delivers the most accurate and precise information to people throughout the world. Because of ChatGPT, Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, had declared a red alert among his team when he came to realize the actual potential of ChatGPT. Why did he do so? To understand this, we have to know what was happening across the world before ChatGPT. Over the past few years, we've been relying on Google search engine to find various information, whether it be figuring out answer to general questions or writing a lengthy article on any complicated topic. When it comes to researching on any topic, Google search immediately pops up in our mind. Actually, it used to, not at present, because now we have ChatGPT, which as per the users gives the most relevant information to our questions. If you don't know what ChatGPT is, then let me briefly introduce you. It is simply an artificial intelligence chatbot trained by machine learning algorithm. Like a child, it learns from your conversation with it. ChatGPT allows you to ask your questions and it produces human-like text or answer. You won't find a big difference between the text generated by ChatGPT and the text written by human beings. Because of this quality to produce human-like text, people started using it in their daily life. OpenAI engineers said that they were surprised by the coverage and attention ChatGPT received. After the launch of ChatGPT on November 30, within 4 days, it crossed 1 million users by 4 December 2022. And in January 2022, ChatGPT reached 100 million users. Now you can imagine how fast it's growing. Apart from conversation, ChatGPT can do several activities. It can write and debug your computer programs. You can compose music, poetry, and song lyrics with the help of ChatGPT. It can write essays, articles, and give answer to your general questions. With ChatGPT, you can also generate business ideas. Additionally, you can summarize long text and article and also translate them into different languages. Despite being able to perform majority of tasks, it's been provided with limited information. OpenAI acknowledges that ChatGPT sometimes writes plausible sounding but incorrect or nonsensical answers. So be sure to check out most important information with authenticate source. If the beginning of ChatGPT is so fascinating, then what will be its possibilities in the future? Think of it. I'll see you in the next video.